Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pipedrive products to quote faster, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, navigate to the products section in the main menu. Here, you can add new products by clicking on the Add Product button. Fill in the details, including the product name, price, and description. After entering the necessary information, click Save to add the product to your inventory. Next, head over to the Deals section. Open an existing deal or create a new one. Inside the deal, find the Products tab. Click on Add Products to select the items you want to include in your quote. Once you've selected your products, confirm your choices. You'll see a summary of the selected products along with their prices. Review the total price to ensure everything looks correct. To generate a quote, click on the Create Quote button. Customize the quote as needed, adjusting quantities or adding discounts. After finalizing the quote, click Send to email it directly to your client. You can also download the quote as a PDF for your records. This streamlined process will help you quote faster and more efficiently in Pipedrive. Now, you're all set to manage your products and quotes with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.